Hello, this video explains the decision for round 2 of simulation sensor remuneration. So you should watch this video with after round 1, and with this new strategy we can win the net profit from the first rounds. We do not have to sacrifice the net profit to for later round, so your team will feel it more comfortable when you start with the game. So do not apply to strong strategy. Just keep it about 80% and then you can get net profit. Tip number 11, you add new product in traditional segment with performance insight from idea spot for round 4 and can launch reduce a little bit to launch in June and reposition the other 4 sensors and maintain good promotion and sales. And you can find this sample performance insights for round 2. You do not update number 2 product, low end product, because it's also good for this round. We update that next round. And also we add one more product in traditional segment with performance insight idea spot of round 4, and we do not to keep track of age and price of selling criteria, buying criteria of customer, and also very important to keep track of prices of competitors, because sometimes your competitors can dumping the price, and you apply promotion and sale can be strong from 1,600 to 2,000. If we want to get some net profit from the second round, we can maintain the promotion and sale around 1,600. And also this is a marketing sample, do not depend on this number. We need to adjust because it's a simulation software, simulation game, so you can adjust the price a little bit by 50 cents to find out the best. The most important thing is to use low price for the second product, because it accounts for more than 50% of buying criteria, and the other you can keep that as high as possible but close to your competitors. And also um, just reduce the price by 50 cents for the other except the low end product, and need to calculate the demands for low end. Often about 20 and 30% of old low end product, and we need to check career report every round to find the unit we sell last round and inventory to speculate for the next round based on the demand and market growth. And this is the sample for production. We need to calculate the sale focus and production carefully, because that is the key to win this game. And also we need to add more capacities for new and very good selling products, such as low end and traditional from 350 to 500. For round 2 we get total investment for factory about 45 million, so try to use that. Tip number 15, we upgrade automation from 6.7 to 8.4. If we upgrade too fast, so we need too much cash and low price from the first few rounds, so we need to adjust that to maintain good net profit and delay the automation one round, or update only a few factories. Remember to add more capacities, so we have capacity to produce from next round 3. And tip number 16, edge product are important, especially for low-end product. And also the other product, the performance size important, so sometimes we can go ahead one round ahead to get the new product launch with good performance size, and try to produce full capacity for low end, because I can bring good net profit. But when all the team do that, we can focus on the other segments. Improve product by R&D, you can jump ahead a year, so we get very good performance size. Of course, that year we cannot sell well, but later year we sell very well. And keep performance size close to ideal. For example, traditional to ideal, high-end 30% adjustment, performance to ideal, and size 50% of adjustment. We need to create for round 2, we need to create about 350 for new traditional. Next round we can double to 700 and sell well. Automation close to 8.4, maybe 8 automation to 8.4 for low end. Do not automation too fast, because we need a lot of money. And automation 5.0 for traditional, and new traditional, and try 4 for high end, so that it can save cost later. And this sample result for round 2, we expect to get a sale of 190 million to 100 million, and net profit from around 6 million. It's not so big, but from later round we can get very high net profit, but try to keep quite positive net profit. Cumulative net profit about 16 million. Most important, we have added 2 new products, so that 2 new products can have sell a lot, gain a lot of sales from later rounds. Tip number 19, we get max long-term debts and get max issue, stock issue, so we get total about 45 million for investment, and quite try to keep cash available about 25 million in case we do not sell well as our plan. When we face the other team, they also set very competitive strategy. Tip number 20, use all investment allowed to add new capacities for own investment allowed to add new capacity for new low end, and add 200 more for that. Also upgrade automation low end to 8 or 8.4, and automation for traditional 4 to 6.0, and new traditional 5. We can try to add high end to 4 or 5. So in this round, we need to keep track of time to launch new products, and try to launch new product in June or July, and try adding new products in high performance and size. Of course, first round they do not bring good net profit, but later round they can do to avoid the similar or the same strategy with competitors. So two teams cannot enjoy the benefit if they apply the same strategy. So sometimes you need to differentiate a little bit to add more product in performance and even in size. Okay, if you have any question, you can contact. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.